everyone. Today I would like to talk about something that may seem simple but actually reflect deep cultural value. The difference deep cultural value, the difference in greeting people you just meet in Indonesia and American culture. Greeting someone for the first time is something we all do almost every day. However, did you know that the why we greet someone can reveal who we are, where we come from, and how our culture shapes our way of interacting? Both Indonesian and the United States are known for being a friendly nation, but when people from these two countries meet for the first time, the way they greet each other can they use the tone of voice to the physical dance they maintain. And number one, the meaning of a greeting. A greeting is not just a simple hello, it is a social greeting that helps us building relation, show respect, and create a safe first impression. In Indonesia, greeting often reflect politeness and respect. Indonesians are usually careful when meeting someone new, especially if the person is older or hold a higher position. Meanwhile, in the United States, greeting implies friendliness and equality. Americans tend to be direct and open when meeting new people, with too much formality. And number two, greeting someone new in Indonesia culture. In Indonesia, the way people greet someone new is strongly infused by values of courtesy, respect, and courtesy. Usually, an Indonesian person links with a formal prayer such as "Selamat sore Ibu", "Good afternoon Mom", so "Selamat siang Bapak", "Good morning Sir". Perkenalkan, nama saya Revina. Let me introduce myself. My name is Revina. The tone of voice is soft, accompanied by a warm smile and sometimes a handshake. After shaking hands, some Indonesians place their right hand over their chest, a sign of sincerity and respect. If the person they greet is older, they may slightly bow their head to show politeness. Titles are also very important in Indonesia. Instead of saying "Hai Budi", it is more it is more polite to say "Selamat pagi Pak Budi", "Good morning Mr. Budi". Among Muslims, the greeting "Assalamualaikum" is very common. It means "My peace be upon you", showing kindness and goodwill. All of these gestures show that for Indonesian, greeting someone new is an act of respect, humility, and good manners. 3. Greeting someone new in American culture. Contact the way American greet new people is more direct and casual. The most common greeting are "Hello, my name is Sarah, how are you?" When meeting someone new, Americans usually shake hands firmly while making eye contact. Eye contact is very important in American culture. It shows hoarsely, confidence, and sincerely. After the introduction, Americans often continue with small talk, such as "Where are you from?" or "What do you do?" This small talk is not seen as intrusive, but rather as a friendly way to create comfortable atmosphere and get to know each other better.
Good morning everyone. Today I would like to tell about something that may seem simple, but actually reflects the cultural values. The difference in great people who use me in Indonesia and America culture. Formality, friendliness. One of the biggest differences between Indonesia and the United States lies in the level of formality when greet new people. In Indonesia, people to be from and polite, especially when tell to elders teach her, or people of higher status. They cheerfully choose their work and gestures to avoid sounding rude. America introduce are usually informal and friendly. America believe everyone is equal. So even a student and greet a teacher by saying from them by friend and confident is more important than by formal. However, for Indonesia, the style may see too casual or often disrespectful if used with older people or standards. Physical contact and social boundaries. Another major difference is physical contact during greetings. In Indonesia, and handed is of light and brief. In some cases, especially for regular men and women may shake hand at her instead or make simple notes or place hand on the chest as sheet of respect. In the United States, however, an handshake is a symbol of performance and truth. A firm handshake in Chilean polity and confidence. Latin Americans may see contact during the handshake, but in Indonesia, starting too long into so many years, especially an elder can be seen as impolite or confrontational.
Number 6. Body language and expression. Body language also play an important role in greetings. Indonesians tend to use gentle and modest gestures. Their body movements are controlled, their voice are calm, and their smile are polite. On the other hand, Americans are usually more expressive. They speak with louder voice, show more energy, and use more hand gestures. This doesn't mean they are aggressive. It is just their way of expressing confidence and enthusiasm. Number 7. Personal space. Another interesting difference in personal space. Indonesians are generally comfortable standing relatively close when talking to someone they know. However, when meeting someone new, they still keep a polite distance to show respect. Americans, on the other hand, have a strong sense of personal space. They usually keep about 1 or 2 steps away when talking. Standing too close may make them feel uncomfortable or infidel.
Good morning, everyone. Today, I would like to tell about smoothing the my simple but actually reflect that cultural values. The difference in greeting people you you just you just met in Indonesian and American culture. Why why is the difference important? No, why is this difference important to understand? Because in an increasingly global world, we often meet people from different cultural backgrounds. Understanding the different way of greeting helps us avoid misunderstandings and show respect for other cultures. For example, if an Indonesian greets an American with too much formality, the American might feel that the relations is too stiff. On the on the other hand, if an American greets an Indonesian too casually, it might be seen as impolite. By understanding how both cultures work well run to act and show cross-cultural empathy. 9. Consolation in consolation. In consolation. The my people greet staggers in Indonesian and the United States is very different, but share the same purpose to show friendliness and goodwill. In Indonesian, greetings are a symbol of respect, manners, and politeness. In the United States, greeting rests opinions, equality, and confidence. Next is better known words, both reflects the noble values of their respective societies. By understanding this difference, we not only learn how to greet others, but also how to appreciate and to other cultures. So, the next time you meet someone from another country, remember that a simple word like hello or good morning can carry a much deeper meaning that in sense. Thank you for your attention. I hope this space helps us all become more open-minded, polite, and cultural aware individuals.